How to delete a Reddit community. Now, if you want to delete a Reddit communities, it is straightforward, not possible to completely delete a community on Reddit once created. But you can do some things similar to deleting a community in order to make it inactive. Now, in order to do that, just simply go over the community which you would like to delete. For example, I want to delete this community. Now, in order to do that, you just simply need to kick out all of the members of the community at very first, and then go to the mod tools, and under that you will see the option of settings, and then go to community type and then set it to private from public. And after setting the community to private, you just simply need to delete all of the posts in the community, and you need to leave it too. And by doing that, no one can access the community and it is as good as deleted. So this is how you can quote unquote delete a community on Reddit. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes,